Hi, in this session I am going to explain how to use the eraser tool for a text and for the object. So here if you observe this current page, this is my text and these three are the objects that I have created. So these three are the three different shaping objects and this is the text. Now we will see how we can use the eraser for the text and for the objects. So if you observe this toolbar here, so this is a toolbox. If you didn't find this, you can get it from Windows, go to toolbars, and here toolbox is checked. If it is unchecked, your toolbox is not visible. If you want it back, go to Windows, click toolbars and check toolbox. Now you can see the toolbox here. So in this toolbox, you can find the eraser tool next to your shape tool. So you can find crop tool. So in the crop tool, you can find the down arrow mark here. You can just click on it. So you can find different kinds of crops. One is knife and eraser and crop. So here you can find eraser, which is eraser tool. You can select it and immediately the properties of the eraser will pop up on the status bar. So the properties of the eraser is the style of the eraser or the shape of the eraser and the thickness of the eraser. So if you observe here, it is a circle shaped eraser. If you click on it, you will get a square shaped eraser. So these two are two different types of erasers we can find in our CorelDRAW app. And this is the thickness. So suppose I have selected the square shape and come to your current page, you can find the size of the eraser. If you want the thickness should be more, you can increase the thickness here by using the upper arrow, or you can directly type how much thickness you want from the keyboard and just enter. And now when you move to your current page, you can find the increased thickness of the eraser. So this is your eraser. Now if you want to delete or if you want to erase some extra drawing, so you can just first you have to select your object, click on it and then go to your eraser tool. This is your eraser. Now you can just erase it by using your mouse and left arrow of the mouse. You can just drag it. So whatever you want to erase, you can just erase it. Okay. If you want to change the shape, just click here. So you will get the circle shape here. You can even erase your circle also. Before erasing, what you have to do, you have to select the object. So pick tool and select your object and then go to your eraser, select your eraser and you can just drag with the mouse so your object can be erased. Even for this shape also, you have to first select your object, then go to the eraser. If you want, you can change the eraser and you can just delete the space or extra drawing what you want to delete it. For the text you want to delete, just select your text and then go to the eraser tool and here you can find the eraser. If you want to decrease the width, what you have to do, go to the thickness, type how much thickness you want and say enter. Now if you come to your current page, you can observe the decreased thickness of the eraser. You can just erase it like a normal eraser that you will use it for the paint. So this is how we can use the eraser.